But again, given everything that we've heard, given the investigations that PG&E has conducted, even themselves, given some of the stuff we've heard from the state agencies, such as CAL FIRE, we're not surprised that they took a fairly significant charge here. And frankly, I think that's what tipped them into bankruptcy. I don't think it's a coincidence that they took this charge just a few weeks after filing for bankruptcy. Yeah, we still think that there's value post-bankruptcy. Our fair value estimate right now is $12.50, so definitely some material value after bankruptcy. The core business, as we saw from the quarter results, after you adjust out the charges, still is quite strong. They still have a lot of investment. The state is mandating a lot of investment. Fire mitigation is a big area where they need investment. So California does still need a healthy PG&E.